Alrighty, guys, now we got the 77 Trans Am back. We got some helpers in the house as well. The first thing we're gonna tackle, well, is some wiring. It's got some wiring issues, right?
Yeah, absolutely. We've been under the dash, and it's just a rat's nest of wiring down there. It's all old and brittle.
Well, thank God we got big time help from American Autowire. This is their classic update kit for 74 through 78 Trans Ams. And man, this thing has everything you need. I mean, obviously you can tell everything's prepackaged, right? And you know what the big benefit of that is?
You can do it one piece at a time. I could do this today and that next month.
There you go. And it's all pre-labeled, which is a big time help. All GXL wire, which obviously for heat, a place that's like this environment, it's gonna cause that wire to live a lot longer, especially, you know, considering how she's gonna be driving this thing. And it's a little hot rod, so imagine you need some of that upgraded wiring. It's got all the classic terminals, connectors, everything you need. Just go in and plug and play. Replace everything.
Absolutely.
You know?
We're gonna wire this up to the EFI like you guys saw last time because it supports modern EFI.
Which they did not have in 1977, so yet another upgrade as well. All right, you get some tools. I'll start laying this out. You ready to rock it?
Absolutely.
All right, let's do this. So now we got to under that one. Madi, I don't know how you feel about this, but look at the original shape of this thing. That's in rough shape, right?
Definitely.
It's definitely seen a few heat cycles. And yeah, man, some of the wire's brittle, some of the insulation's brittle. So cool to get this thing out. American Autowire, like we told you before, I've got probably 25 cars with American Autowire stuff on it. They're great. Everything's pre-labeled, so we kind of know where to route these. And it's really cool because it slides in like so, right? Now you got the same bulkhead.
Yeah.
Now we're just gonna wind it down through here. We'll run one wire harness through here and up through the alternator, and then it'll run around to the light. So you're gonna help me and get your hands dirty on this one, okay?
Definitely.
All right. This is something cool about American Autowire. Look how much wire they give you, all right? This can go all the way out the front, right? But yet the windshield wiper motor is just right here. So they give you plenty of wire, and it really truly has so many companies that don't do that. For example, this is the harness I have going up to the headlights. Now, normally, this is gonna come in and tuck right down through here and go along this way. But you see all the extras, right, they give you. This can go on for days. I could wire up next week with this. They got great instructions, great photos, great pictures. I mean, this is a book you get so you can feel confident in whatever your wiring issue is and tackling that project.